So you guys keep asking me to vlog on Parsi New Year. So this is Parsi New Year. It is almost 8 p.m. Rushing and waiting for my Uber to arrive. Just taking my parents to the fire temple and then we're going to dinner. That is pretty much our New Year. I've been working all day. I have shot 2 videos and this is all the carnage behind me from those videos. And just uploaded couplings video here. Check it out if you haven't. And yeah, literally go to the fire temple. And then we're going to eat dinner at Numa. We've been invited for a very fun Parsi fusion meal, which I'm quite excited about. And yeah, let's go.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne?
Okay peeps, dinner was great. This was the modernist Parsi pop-up at Numa and the food was absolutely amazing. I had a really nice evening, but I did feel really bad and guilty about something because the usual fire temple that we go to closed by the time we reached, and then we had to go find another one and then go for dinner. And my parents were a bit upset because they really wanted to go to our usual fire temple. And you know when you're you have that bittersweet, you're trying to be the best version of everything and you're struggling with everything. That's kind of how I feel today, where I had a crazy work day and I was trying to finish and get stuff done, and then I didn't manage in time, and then the fire temple was shut. I know it's no big deal, but it just makes you feel like you're trying to do everything and doing nothing. You know what I mean? So it was a good day, but it's also given me that lesson to kind of slow down and take it easy and maybe just take some time and pace myself. So that's it for today. I will see you guys tomorrow maybe. I don't know whether this is going to be a daily thing or a random weekly thing, but I will see you. Hi guys, so I'm in bed working, watching Made in Heaven, and yeah, a lot has happened since you saw the last part of this vlog. So I'm going to take you guys on a little bit of a flashback, okay, with my new raspy cold and cough voice because I've been ill for the past few days. So Navroz happened, you guys came for that. After that, I was working for a couple of days, totally fine. Sunday was a friend's baby shower, totally fine there. Went too early to chill and bring in Weber's birthday, and then boom, Sunday night. Kind of got the flu, and I thought I was okay. Weber's birthday was still fine. We managed to just go get some stuff from Phoenix Mills because he wanted to shop a little for his birthday and chill a little bit. But then the next day, I was really, really ill. And and you guys remember Sammy had this little cut on her head from the pigeon the last time when I was vlogging. Well, she scratched that, made it worse, and there was a chunk that had literally come off her head. So then yesterday we had to rush her to the vet, and then now the vet has told us to keep her on a cone in a cage. So spent all of yesterday with her, and this morning I pretty much I was sit in front of her with my tea, coffee, she would be on my lap normally, but today I was sitting on the floor just to chat with her and face her. So yeah, it's been a bit of a hectic 3-4 days, but yeah, I'm surviving. I'm much better. I've been on antibiotics and I seem to be getting better now, but I just have a bad cough. But yeah, I am just vegetating a little, trying to work a bit, and then also watch Made in Heaven, which is amazing. And this is what a sickish work day looks like for me. Back for a walk after what seems like 100 years, but it was only 4 days. Mazi, you happy to go back for a walk? Mazula! How insane is this?
जी हाँ, आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं.
Watching the Chandrayaan landing with my chai and biscuit. This is pretty insane.
Less than 5 minutes to go. Just 150 meters above the moon surface, guys. Cheers to that. Come on, come on. It's happened.
पूरी तरह से सेफली और सॉफ्टली चंद्रमा के सतह पे लैंड हो चुका है। ये हम लोगों के लिए बहुत ही गर्व की बात है।
बहुत ही उम्दा। The hard
How
work
insane
of the
is
entire
that?
ISRO community has come to fruition.
Historic. And to think I used to be a basketball player. The worst part about having a cold.
कभी पब्लिक में चुम्मा चाटी करी है?
मुझे पसंद नहीं है, but I think
मुझे पसंद नहीं है मतलब.
Mas, what do you think of the video? Is it good? Just checking the final draft of today's coupling video. It's Never Have I Ever in Hindi and it's really funny. I will put it here because this is gonna go after that. Watch it. Okay, if there's one thing that I have to have when I have a cold or cough, it's this. Samahan is the best thing. You guys have heard me talk about this in a lot of videos because when I had TB, my sister recommended it to me and it really helps with the throat. So if you have, it's herbal, it's like natural and it's just really yummy. You put it in hot water and drink it. And yeah, this is my third one of the day. Some chicken soup and chawal for dinner, which is the best thing. You feel like this? This has got to be my favorite PR package ever. You guys know how much I love Parsi Dairy Farm. They have new packaging. Some Sutar Feni, my favorite. And yeah, this is amazing. Someone else is also a fan. Is this in honor of your birthday, Maz? Just finished dinner. This is the best thing ever. Axe oil. You can apply it onto yourself as well, but I just like to smell it. To clear my sinuses. I'm not chugging wine, guys. This is water. Just taking my meds. So I think that's it for tonight. This has been a bit of a sick day. And I'm just gonna veg out in front of my iPad, watch some more stuff and just chill. I finished Made in Heaven Season 2 and I have to tell you, it's so good. Like, loved it. So good. But good night and I will see ya tomorrow. Clock is doing tung. It's 10 o'clock. Good night. Happy birthday, baby. Lovely. Is my babu's birthday today? Yes, my good babu. Hey, Mas, are you having a birthday walk? Is that the birthday boy? Who's this cute too? Mazi, you want a chicken leg today? You want some balls today? Mama, I'll give you your prezzies in the evening. Who's my good boy? Guys, my child has turned 4 today. Very excited. It's his gotcha day, as we call it. And yeah, he has really changed our life. I will go more into detail about that a little later today. I'm actually getting ready to go out and go for an event today after so long. So I'm speaking at the Google office for like a closed door thing, like with brands and stuff like that. I don't really know if I can vlog it because it's more of a business of influencing kind of thing. Yeah, I'll see what I can vlog, but I will definitely be coming back to celebrate Boo-Boo's birthday and to give him his gifts. And I've ordered some dahi for him because he loves Parsi Dairy Farm dahi.
Lately I've been feeling like the PE logo in the crosshair scope because of my promos.
We are here and I'm in a conference room getting some work done, waiting to start. There's a lot of time before my panel, so I have time to chill. No one else is here. It's only me, so quickly doing some work before other people come.
8 bars in, I'm just warming it up. Crisscross style, Mac Daddy it up. I got a little older, a tidbit wiser. My stylists keep me fresh.
Guys, the children of YouTube are here with Mummy, my co-panelists.
Yes, we had so much fun having conversations.
Yeah, we've been here for the last 2 hours just chatting, and I've realized how old I am and how young they are. I could have given birth to them.
Yes, but so nice meeting again.
Yeah. So I think that has been the core of my content creation always. It's always about it being authentic, about it being genuine, whether it's branded, non-branded. The story is always the same. And that I think is the base for my content.
Who wants his present? Come on, let's get your presents. Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday prezzies are these? Who's got their favorite chicken feet? And Shimny Bolish. Shimny Bolish. You like this body? Mama open for you? Ready? Will you go get? You want to go get the bolly? Let's take the blue one first, okay? Ready? Ready or not? Whose bolly is this? Ready? Go. Come back. Give me go. Happy birthday, my babuli. Take. Come on. It's time for Mazi's birthday day. Happy birthday. Here you go. Enjoy. Back in bed. Today's day was a really good day on many levels. So always Mazi's birthday or gotcha day is always a good day. But yeah, we had a lovely time at the Google event. Gopali and Janvi were there too. We spent the afternoon chatting, and it's so amazing to see how, different creators have different journeys and what everyone's doing because they're much younger than me. So yeah, it was really a fun afternoon. And then I came back to be with my birthday boy. And I just want to, take a moment to talk about having a pet, whether it's a cat, a dog, anything, and how they change your life, because Mars has truly changed our lives for the better. And I know people always say, oh, we adopted him or whatever, but the truth is he kind of adopted us and changed our life. And I always say that with animals. I feel like even with Sammy, she just walked into our lives and she adopted Weber, and that's how it started. They give you the most unconditional love. I feel like with human love, we always expect something. But with animals, they don't want anything. They just want your love. And that's the sweetest thing. And they give you so much. Just that feeling of when you walk into the door and they're so happy to see you every single day. Forget every single day. Even if you've got, I go down for 10 minutes, I come up, Mars is happy. Or I walk into Wally and Sammy's like, meow, 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 and I'm like, oh, hi. And that joy, that love is unreal. So, this is for everyone who wants to adopt, is looking to adopt, can adopt. Please, please, please adopt a dog, a cat. There are plenty of animals out there that need homes. Lots of organizations that do amazing work. I will put some of their names down for you in the description if you're looking for someone. I also post adoption appeals every Saturday on my Instagram on stories. So if you're looking to adopt, look at those and, get in touch with the people. And yeah, these guys will change your life for the better. And even if you can't adopt, if you have, we all have animals in our community. Feed the strays around your house, give them shelter when it rains. Just be kind to them, because they are the most loving, most loyal, and the most amazing things on this earth. Yeah, that was my little senti chat for you guys. Now I think this is where the vlog ends. This has been again a chaotic, mishmashed vlog. But it is what it is, and this is where the vlog ends. Comment below with your favorite part of the vlog. I've forgotten where it started and how it's ended. Actually, it started with Navroz, I remember, and it's ended with Mars's birthday. But if you like the vlog, give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your favorite part, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.